Our goal for today is that you'll be able to create your own design, send it to the printer, watch it printed, and then hold it in your hot little hands. So without further ado, let's go to lesson 5. The task is you shall create a medallion. Step number 1 is to choose the round or square medallion from this folder. So if you click on this hyperlink, it's going to take you to this Google Drive folder. And there are 2 options. Choose the one you like. I'm going to go with the rounded rectangle. I double click on it and it opens in the same browser window. Top right corner, download. It's an AI folder, so if you double click on it in the browser or in your downloads folder, it will open in Illustrator. It's not your default probably, it's CMYK, so you'll get this little bit of a warning. Just click on continue. And there it is. I've created some layers for you. The first layer is already locked because this is the right shade of red and it's the right stroke weight. So you can go on to icon next. Back to Google Chrome, back to tutorials. Number 2, place one of these icons anywhere in the template. Click on that, and it takes you here. If you want, you can make your own illustration, or you can go to Flaticon and download your own SVG graphic, but that's up to you. I'm going to go with a unicorn because that's how I'm feeling today. Double click, download. Now you don't open this one. You go back to Illustrator and you're going to place it in this file. You go to File, Place. Drag and drop is for noobs. You have to place it if you want it to work. There it is in my downloads folder, and then you're going to place it. It's pretty much the right size, so all you have to do is put it in the spot where you want it. Of course, if you'd like to resize it, you're welcome to do that. Let's just pretend I'm happy with where it is. I can lock this one on and move to the text. You already know the text tools because you've seen lesson 4, and if you haven't seen lesson 4, it's waiting for you. So let's just imagine that I'm finished. I've done my other layers and I'm ready to go. Now, right now it's called grade 5 template number 2. That's not going to work. So I go back to the tutorial, and after add some text, after customize, after verify all the settings are proper, it says name your file accordingly. Homeroom, full name, coaster, wood, 3mm, AI. I'm going to Command C to copy that. Go back to Illustrator, and instead of clicking on Save, because that'll just keep the same name, I'm going to go Save As and paste that, and I'm going to change it to the proper. Click through that, click OK. Back to my instructions, upload to this folder. Here's the folder. Grade 5 workshop ready. Workshop print ready designs. And all I do now is I go to my downloads,